Alright, I want to show you how to set up a virtual machine that we'll be using for our RTEMS operating system. So the virtual machine that we're going to use in this course is VirtualBox. There are other virtual machines. I've used QEMU in the past. I haven't actually used VMware. You could probably set that up just as easily, but I've just got more experience with VirtualBox and prefer it as a virtual machine. So it's the one I'm going to recommend for use in this course. But the first step to installing it is go to virtualbox.org, the website, and then click on the big download button here. And then it'll take you to this page. And install it under Windows. So this is the current version. It's trying to install to my download directory. I've already installed it, so I'm actually going to cancel it. And then you may also want to install the extension pack. So click here, and again, I've already downloaded that previously into my downloads directory, so I'm not going to re-download it again. So I've got both of those. Open up my downloads directory, and then double click on the VirtualBox installer here. That's the window's opened up off screen, so let me drag it over. So it looks like this. This is the setup wizard. I think you can just click through on most of the features here and most of the items in the wizard. It says proceed with the installation now. I think this may take a few minutes, so I'm actually going to pause the video here after I click yes, and then I'll restart after it comes, after we get to the next step in the installation. So, okay, I'm back. So it took less than 5 minutes to actually complete the installation on my machine. So I've got to the final window here. It's got the start a VirtualBox after installation. I'm going to uncheck that because I want to install the extension pack first. So click finish, and then now it should have the association set up correctly. I can just double click on the extension pack that I downloaded previously to install that as well. Again, this is all opened up on another monitor. It says an older version's already installed. I already had VirtualBox installed, so this is an upgrade for me. But I do want to do the upgrade. I get the license info here. I have to scroll down to the bottom and say I agree, and then and then it says now the extension pack was installed successfully. So I've already got a couple of different virtual machines set up, my Ubuntu, and then a Lubuntu, and then the FreeDOS one that we'll be using. I show you how to set up this FreeDOS machine in a subsequent video. I think the next video in the playlist. So initially you won't see any of these. You'll have to actually to create a virtual machine, click on the new icon here, but again that's demonstrated in the next video. But that's it for today.